How to manage group notification on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage group notifications on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on any conversation like this one, and then just click here and go down, and now all you need to do is just find this one here, notification. Just click here if you want to turn it off, and as you see notification has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just click on it, and as you see notification has been turned on. And that's it. That's how manage group notifications settings on Skype mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.